Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mysticistus. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay safe. So this is the second episode of Zodiac Sign series, and in this we'll be discussing all about Taurus, their personality, their past and future. I'll be reading this with tarot cards also. So let's get into the video. Hello Taurus. This video is all about you. Taurus is generally calm, pretty chilled out and laid back. You always love to take time away from your busy life to relax and enjoy. You are independent and confident. You are the type of people who prefer to make your own luck instead of depending on someone. Taurus are generally people who are good at giving advices to others. You are very practical and you look for the same quality in your life partner too. You are easygoing and fun-loving people and can make people laugh easily. But, like the bull, the aggressive side of Taurus only comes when you are provoked. Your rage can be enormous when you are attacked. You are also stubborn in nature, which can be good and at the same time bad for you according to the situation. The best quality of Taurus. You are real. Taurus doesn't like to play games and tend to be very direct and honest with people. Weakness. You get frustrated easily. You have a low tolerance level and are very impulsive. This can affect your mental peace at times. Now, coming to love life and family, Taurus seem to appear stern, but they have a compassionate and caring side too. They would do anything for their friends and family. You don't believe in fiction that much and always prefer to believe in reality. Taurus is not so good at coping with stress and you become difficult to deal with when you are stressed. You are very determined and has a very good work ethics and morals in life. Now let us see what the tarot cards has to tell about your personality, past and future. So these are the three sets. The first set is about your personality. The next one is about your past and the final third one is about your future, Taurus. So let's see. So this set contains the description about your personality, Taurus. So let's open the cards and see what it has to tell you. These are the cards that shows your personality type, Taurus. So what I can see from these cards are you're no doubt honest and trustworthy. You are generally relaxed and calm in nature. Then people can take advantage of you at times. I can see that from these cards. Maybe because you are down to earth and this can result in people misusing you or taking advantage of you at times. Then you are a person who seeks opportunities. You always constantly look for new opportunities, and this shows that you are very determined about your life and you are a very compassionate and loving soul. So yes, basically you are honest, trustworthy, calm, and you are very down to earth. Then you seek for new opportunities and are very determined type of people. Then you are very compassionate and also loving. So that was a brief description about your personality type. Then now let's see what the cards have to tell you about the past. Which page from the past is the cards are ready to show you? Let's see. This set contains the cards which shows about your past. Maybe a page from your past. So let's open the cards and see. So what I can see from here is you are a person who mostly focus on other people's problems and you ultimately get hurt. Then the tower here with these cards gives me a vibe that you must have experienced something disturbing in the past, like maybe someone deceived you, or you are regretting about some choices which you made in the past, and you have dropped some plan on the thought of what others will think and you are still regretting about that. Then there must have been issues in your love life, which Three of Swords here shows, maybe breakup or separation. So yes, these cards are showing regret and sadness. So yes, that was the page from your past which these cards showed. So let's see about your future, Taurus. This set contains the cards which shows about your future, Taurus. So let's open the cards and see what it has to tell you. So these are the cards that shows your future. So as this Ace of Pentacles shows, the new opportunities are waiting for you, and the near future will be a bit emotionally challenging one, but you will not give up and you have to be strong. Okay, you have to be very strong and you should not give up. And there are chances for health issues too, so take care of your health properly. But there is a chance for something good to happen, maybe from past, something like maybe a reunion with a friend or a job which you thought you have lost or something like that, but it's very favorable and you thought that it is almost impossible, but yes, it is going to happen in the near future. So basically it's a mix of favorable events and unfavorable events. So yes, you have very good new opportunities that are waiting for you, so you have to grab them. Then you have to take care of your health. That's what is important, as it is shown by the cards. There are chances for health issues, so take care of your health properly and don't get depressed or sad about that. So you have to really work on your health. So yes, that was for you, Taurus. Now let's find out about your ruling element and ruling planet and some other basic information about you, Taurus. So your ruling element is Earth. Earth sign is known for calmness, steadiness and unwavering nature. Your ruling planet is Venus. It symbolizes love, luxury, pleasure and values. Your spirit color is green. Your lucky gem is emerald. Top love match is Pisces. Now, some of the famous Taurus personalities are Queen Elizabeth II, Sachin Tendulkar, and William Shakespeare. So that was a brief description about you, Taurus. Hope you enjoyed. So I'll be back with another sign in the next episode of Zodiac Sign series. Until then, peace out.